This is some pretty bread, y'all. You know, Valentine's is just around the corner. And so I'm thinking that I might serve Michael breakfast in bed. It depends, you know, if he's a good boy now till Valentine's Day. But early on in our relationship, I used to serve him breakfast in bed on a silver tray.
Well, I would love to have seen that.
He laughs about it, but he didn't know how to act. He'd never been treated that way. I don't think he's been treated that way since either. But you know, it was just fun, something for me to just make him feel special. So I think I'm gonna serve French toast Valentine's morning to him and let that be our hoorah and salute to Valentine's Day. So I'm starting with challah bread. Like holla for $1. Right, Teresa? Isn't that what you told me?
That's right.
People not gonna be saying, Paula, you're so stupid.
I hope not.
Holla. Not holla.
I asked Eddie too.
Eddie, what is it?
I'm throwing you with me on this one. You said holla too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think you pronounce this.
These two smart people said holla, so that's what I'm calling it.
And it's egg bread, is what it
Egg bread, yeah. So this is what I'm gonna use to make our French toast. But first, I'm gonna put together our liquid that we're gonna be dipping our French toast in. I'm gonna get these beat up. And I've just got half and half. I think it's half and half. It's not.
half and half.
It's not whipping, is it?
No.
Okay. Great. Now we're just going to set this aside. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar in this. I had 2 tablespoons. Let me tell you what this is. It's strawberry chocolate French toast, y'all. So the recipe calls for 1 quart of whole and sliced real thin strawberries. Alrighty. Let me get some of this out of the way. So these have 3 tablespoons of sugar on them. Aren't those pretty? Just real pretty strawberries. And you'll want to put your sugar on these and let them sit in the refrigerator 15 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. All right, so we've got our mixture that we're going to dip our French toast in. So now I'm going to mix together the filling that's going to go in our French toast. I've got 4 ounces of cream cheese that is softened. Hopefully it's a little soft. You know, it really depends on how many servings of this French toast that you're gonna make. As far as, you know, you may need a whole 8 ounces of cream cheese. I don't know. All right, and we're gonna sweeten that with a little confectionate sugar and a little vanilla.
Right down to the end.
All I got vanilla. And I've got 2 ounces of shaved semi-sweet chocolate squares. Chocolate strawberries, that's so representative of Valentine's, isn't it? All right, so in goes our chocolate. All right, y'all, I got my pan heating and I sprayed it with a little non-stick, and now I'm gonna fry our French toast in a half a stick of butter. And you have to be careful because you know butter will burn. So in order to stop that, I think I'll put in just a little bit of olive oil. And that'll stop it from really burning. All right, now I'm gonna slice my challah like a 1/2 inch thick. Don't want them too thick because this is gonna be a sandwich. Uh-oh. I was getting too skinny with that piece. So now we're gonna take our chocolate and cream cheese mixture, and we're gonna spread it on one side of our bread. And see, this is where I said you can really double up that cream cheese, depending on how thick you like it. Because I want to know that it's there, honey. All right. So that's one that's ready. So here's our custard to dip in challah. Okay. Gooey, gooey, gooey. This pan's so big I almost need more butter because it's so spread out. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I think that one's ready to turn. Yes.
I'm going to plate just so you have
That one's not quite ready. Thank you. Yeah. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And delicious, delicious, delicious. Now, I like my French toast with syrup, but I'm topping these with our fresh sweetened strawberries. But I could still stand a little syrup on the side, couldn't y'all? Mm-hmm. Yes. Ooh, Michael's gonna be one happy Valentine camper man. I'm just letting it light on the paper towel for a second. Ouch. My egg's talking to me. This is so beautiful. Oh, look what I just did, y'all.
What did you do?
I don't know, I turned it sideways, and when I did, I think I'm changing my name to Calamity Jane. Now we're just gonna top this with those beautiful sweetened strawberries. And I'll fill up a bottle with a little syrup and serve that on the side. Too bad he's not here right now, because you know what? I could just serve him this and we'd be done with it.
We'll test it for him.
Yes, let's test. Let's do test. Let's do test. Forks for everybody. Forks for everybody. Y'all coming?
I'm coming.
Okay, come on.
Oh, look at the flow.
I know. Here, let me scoot it closer to you. That bread's even hard to cut after it's been cooked, you know?
It looks so good though. Good and chewy. Decadent.
It's delicious. It is so delicious.
It's good.
The chocolate and the strawberries. They're just plain good.
Look at all that chocolate.
Eddie, you ready to cut so you can have some too? The cameraman sometimes gets the short end of the stick.
Yeah, he says it's time for you to say love
Uh-huh.
and best dishes.
It's time for me to say love and best dishes, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.